Happy Sunday, sixth graders. I was looking through book journals, which is checkpoint 3 for your current project. And I've got quite a few of you that have not completed what you are supposed to at this point. So here's a quick overview. By this point, you should have entered 3 book journals. One was on chapter 5, one was your choice of chapter 8 or 9, and one was your choice of chapter 10 or 11. So we've read up to that point. For your first journal entry, we did this entry together. So everyone should have that completed. For the second entry, you're still writing a summary of what happened in the chapter that you chose. And then for the green response, you're going to choose 2 of the response types. You're either going to choose question, connect, predict, clarify, reflect, or evaluate. Pick 2 of those and then you can delete the other ones. Then you're also adding theme onto this chapter. So I want you to think, what do you think the theme or the message is of this chapter? What's the takeaway message from the author? You're going to find a quote in the book that you think shows that theme, and you're going to write it here exactly as you find it in the book. Remember, you have a digital copy of the book under Project Overview. So if you want to copy and paste from there, that would be the easiest way to do that. And you need to make sure you include the page number that you found that quote on. Then you're going to finish these 2 statements. This quotation shows the theme because this theme is important to the book because. Okay, so that needs to all be a part of your second journal entry and then also your third journal entry. That will on either chapters 10 or 11. You're doing summary, you're choosing 2 of the response types, and then you're doing the same thing with theme. So you should have up to, we have not done journal entry 4. So entries 1, 2, and 3 should be complete. And please feel free to ask questions on Monday. We are taking state interim tests in class on Monday, so you might have some time when you're finished with that you could work on this or have a book that you could read. So enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow.